Chapter 12. Our Festivals. Let's begin. You will learn why we celebrate festivals, our national festivals, different religious festivals celebrated in India, our harvest festivals. Let us have Gujia, children. Today is Holi. Mummy, it's so nice to celebrate Holi. What will be the other festival now? We celebrate many festivals. Our next festival is Baisakhi. In Assam, people celebrate Bihu at this time. Yes, children, we celebrate many national, religious and harvest festivals. You will learn about them in the chapter. Teacher's note. Start the chapter with the reason of celebrating festivals. Why we celebrate different festivals. Talk about the methods of their celebration. India is a vast country with a great variety in cultures and traditions and festivals. Festivals are days full of fun and frolic when people celebrate different occasions. Some festivals are connected to the nation. They are called national festivals. Those connected to religion are called religious festivals. Those celebrating harvests are known as harvest festivals. We even celebrate the birthdays of great people who are no longer with us, but we still remember them in a special way. Let us read about these festivals. National festivals. The national festivals are celebrated by all the people of our country. These are Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Independence Day. India got independence from the British rule on 15th August 1947. Since then, the main function of Independence Day is held at the Red Fort, Delhi. Our Prime Minister hosts the national flag and addresses the people of the country from there. We remember our great freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives for the freedom of the country. Independence Day is also celebrated in schools by hosting the national flag and singing the national anthem. Republic Day. On 26 January 1950, our country became a republic. We celebrate 26th January as Republic Day. Our president hosts the national flag. A grand parade is taken out in New Delhi at Rajpath. Our army, folk dancers, cultural troops and school children all take part in it. Tableaux, jhankis from all the states are displayed. Soldiers are honored with bravery awards for their sacrifices and bravery. Brave children from all over country are also awarded for their courageous acts. They are made to sit on elephants and honored. Thousands of people come every year to see the parade at Rajpath. Republic Day parades are also taken out in state capitals too. Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated every year on 2nd October. It is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi who led the Indians in their fight for freedom from the British rule. So, he is also called the father of the nation. On this day, prayers and flowers are offered at his Samadhi, Rajghat in New Delhi. Prayer meetings are held all over the country. Fact frame. 2nd October is also the birthday of our second Prime Minister, Sri Lal Bahadur Shastri. He was born on 2nd October 1904. Religious festivals. Some festivals are connected with our religions. They are called religious festivals. Let us know about our religious festivals and ways of their celebration. Holi. Holi is also known as the Festival of Colors. It is celebrated by Hindus in the month of March every year. At this time, wheat crop gets ready for harvesting. On Holi, people splash colored powders called gulal on each other. Young children play with pichkari and color-filled balloons. Special dishes like gujia, sweets, mathri and papdi are made to celebrate Holi. Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is a Hindu festival. On this day, sisters tie a thread called Rakhi on the wrist of their brothers. The Rakhi marks the warm bonding between brothers and sisters. Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganesh Chaturthi marks the birth of Lord Ganesha. It is celebrated in the month of August or nearly September. It is a popular festival of Maharashtra. People bring an idol of Lord Ganesha to their home and worship it for 10 days. On the 11th day, the idol is immersed in water. It is also celebrated publicly with grand processions. Eid ul-Fitr. Eid ul-Fitr is most important festival of Muslims. It comes at the end of the holy month of Ramzan during summer season. The Muslims keep fast during the month of Ramzan. Eid celebration depends on the appearance of the moon in the sky. People go to mosques and offer namaz. They greet each other and say Eid Mubarak. Sevaiyan, a special sweet dish, is prepared. Young children get Eidi from their elders. Dashera. Dashera or Vijayadashmi is the festival of autumn season. Dashera is celebrated as the victory of Lord Rama over the demon king Ravana and marks the victory of good over evil. In North India, this festival lasts for 10 days. Ram Leela is performed for 9 days and on the 10th day, huge effigies of Ravana, Kumbhakarna and his son Meghnada are burnt in vast open grounds in the evening. In Gujarat, Dashera is celebrated as Navratra. People perform a dance called Garba during 9 days. In some parts of India like West Bengal, Durga Puja is celebrated at the same time of Dashera. Goddess Durga is worshipped for 9 days. On 10th day, the idols of Goddess Durga are immersed in a river. Diwali. Diwali, the festival of lights, is celebrated 20 days after Dashera. It falls in the month of October or November. It is believed that on this day, Lord Rama returned back to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile. On this festival, people decorate their houses by lighting small clay lamps and candles. These lights represent the victory of good over evil and brightness over darkness. People dress up in new clothes and worship Goddess Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth and property, and Lord Ganesha. People exchange gifts and sweets between family members and close friends. Guru Purab. Guru Parab. Guru Parab is also known as Guru Nanak Jayanti or Prakash Utsav. It is celebrated in the month of November on full moon day. On this day, Sikhs wear new clothes and go to Gurudwara. They listen Guru Vani from the holy book Guru Granth Sahib Ji. Early in the morning, huge processions are taken out. Langars are arranged in common kitchens and distributed in Gurudwaras. Christmas. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December every year. It is the birthday of Lord Jesus Christ. It is an important festival. People illuminate their houses and attend special prayers in the church. Christmas tree is decorated with artificial stars, lights, toys, etc. People wear new clothes, eat festive meals, and exchange gifts. Children believe that Santa Claus brings gifts for them on the night before Christmas. People dressed as Santa distribute gifts and sweets among children. Special plum cake is made in Christmas. Buddha Purnima. Buddha Purnima is also known as Buddha Jayanti. It is celebrated by the people of Buddhist religion. Buddha Purnima falls in the month of April or May. It is celebrated as the birthday of Gautam Buddha. People offer gifts and other things to the poor. Mahavir Jayanti. The birthday of Lord Mahavir is celebrated as Mahavir Jayanti. It falls in the month of March or April. The people following Jainism celebrate it. They gather at Jain temples and offer things to the needy or poor. Think up. Make a chart on the following topics and display it in your class. Different religious festivals celebrated in India. Our national festivals. Harvest festivals. The harvest festivals are celebrated in the season of harvesting of crops. Harvest is the cutting of ripe crop by the farmers. The farmers celebrate the result of their hard work at this time. The harvest festivals are celebrated in different ways across the country. Lohri. Lohri is a popular harvest festival of Punjab. It is celebrated in the month of January. Bonfire is an important feature of Lohri. People throw puffed rice, popcorn and peanuts into the fire. They enjoy eating til, gajak, jaggery, peanuts and popcorn. At many parts of India, Makar Sankranti is also celebrated at this time. Baisakhi. Baisakhi is celebrated mostly in Punjab and Haryana. It is celebrated in the month of April. It is the timing of harvesting of wheat crop. People perform a dance called Gidda and Bhangra on Baisakhi. Onam. Onam is one of the most important harvest festivals of Kerala. It is celebrated during the month of August or September. People decorate the ground in front of their houses with flowers and make beautiful patterns. One of the main attractions of Onam is snake boat race. Bihu. Bihu is celebrated in the month of April in Assam. Young girls and women wear traditional dresses of Assam and perform Bihu dance. Like other harvest festivals, people enjoy the harvest crop by dancing and singing. Pongal. Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu in the month of January for 3 days. People worship rain god on first day, sun god on second day and cattle god on third day. Cattle are washed and decorated with garlands. People wear new clothes and decorate their houses. A sweet dish made of rice and jaggery is made on this festival. Recall: India is the land of festivals. We celebrate a number of national, religious and harvest festivals. Our national festivals are Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Some of our religious festivals are Holi, Diwali, Dashehra, Eid, Guru Parab and Christmas. We celebrate harvest festivals like Onam, Pongal, Lohri, Baisakhi and Bihu. A. Take the correct